Hello everybody. If you want to read all the stories in full, please go to www.steveuk.blog. Thank you. Short story 238, The Garden Visitor. Once upon a sunny morning in a small village nestled among rolling hills, there lived a young woman named Lily. Lily had a cosy little cottage with a charming garden. Her garden was her pride and joy, a colourful patchwork of flowers, herbs and vegetables. One day, as Lily tended to her roses, she noticed a peculiar creature perched on a sunflower. It was a tiny gnome with a pointy hat and a long white beard. His name was Grumblewort, and he loved to explore gardens. "Good morning," Lily greeted him, surprised but not afraid. "What brings you here, Grumblewort?" The gnome hopped down from the sunflower and bowed. "Greetings, kind lady. I've heard tales of your beautiful garden. May I explore it?" Lily smiled. "Of course, but mind the tulips, they're a bit touchy." Grumblewort wandered through the garden, marvelling at the blossoms. He sniffed the lavender, tasted a strawberry, and danced with the daffodils. Lily followed him, explaining each plant's name and purpose. As they reached the vegetable patch, Grumblewort's eyes widened. "Carrots! Oh, how I adore carrots!" He pulled one from the earth and took a crunchy bite. Lily chuckled. "You have excellent taste, Grumblewort." They spent hours together, sharing stories and laughter. Grumblewort told Lily about gnome festivals and moonlit dances. Lily shared tales of her grandmother's secret recipes and the magic of growing things. When the sun began to set, Grumblewort sighed. "I must return to my gnome village, but I'll visit your garden again, Lily. It's the loveliest place I've seen." And so every morning, Grumblewort visited Lily's garden. They became fast friends, and the villagers marvelled at the gnome's antics. He swung from tomato vines, balanced on the pumpkin leaves, and even taught the sunflowers to sing. One chilly evening, as Lily sipped chamomile tea, Grumblewort appeared with a tiny gift, a sparkling pebble. "For you," he said. "It brings good luck." Lily accepted the pebble, touched by his kindness. "Thank you, Grumblewort." But soon autumn arrived and the days grew colder. Grumblewort's visits became less frequent. One misty morning he appeared with a heavy heart. "Lily," he said, "winter is coming. Gnomes must hibernate. I won't see your garden until spring." Lily felt a pang of sadness. "I'll miss you, Grumblewort." He patted her hand. "Fear not. I'll dream of tulips and strawberries, and when the first crocuses bloom, I'll be back." True to his word, Grumblewort returned with the spring. The garden burst into life, daffodils, hyacinths, and of course the tulips. Lily and Grumblewort danced among the flowers, celebrating their reunion. As the years passed, Lily's garden flourished, and so did their friendship. Grumblewort even brought his gnome friends to visit. They sang, danced, and shared gnome secrets with the flowers. And so in that little village, the legend of Lily and Grumblewort's magical garden spread. People came from far and wide to witness the gnome dances and taste the enchanted strawberries. And every evening as the sun dipped below the hills, Lily and Grumblewort sat on the garden bench, sipping chamomile tea and watching fireflies twinkle. Vocabulary notes. Nestled, verb, to be comfortably and securely situated within something. In the story, the village is nestled among rolling hills, meaning it is cosily positioned there. Peculiar, adjective, unusual or strange in an interesting way. The gnome's appearance was peculiar because he had a pointy hat and a long white beard. Perched, verb, to sit or rest on something, especially a high or narrow place. The gnome was perched on a sunflower, observing the garden. Antics, noun, funny, playful or mischievous actions. Grumblewort's antics included swinging from tomato vines and balancing on pumpkin leaves. Hibernate, verb, to spend the winter in a state of rest or dormancy. Gnomes, like bears, hibernate during the cold months. Enchanted, adjective, having a magical or charming quality. The strawberries in Lily's garden were said to be enchanted because they tasted sweeter than any others. Reunion, noun, a meeting or gathering of people or things after a period of separation. Grumblewort's return in spring marked a joyful reunion with Lily. Twinkle, verb, to shine with a flickering or sparkling light. Fireflies twinkle in the evening sky. Story written by Copilot AI. Image created by Copilot AI. To read all the stories in full, please go to www.steveuk.blog. Thank you. Hello, this is Steve. If you enjoyed the story, please would you take the time to leave a meaningful comment and click on the like icon. If you want to know when the next story has been uploaded, please click on the notify bell icon to be notified. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and tell your English learning friends so they can benefit too. Thank you.